In this video, let me show you how to use the PayPal QR code to receive money. Now, in order to receive money using your PayPal QR code, the first thing that you need to do is locate your QR code and send to the person that is trying to send you payments. So all you want to do is within the mobile app of PayPal, head over to the More section, and right here you should be able to see the option called QR codes being displayed. If the More option is not available, you'll be able to see your profile picture being displayed on the top right. You can simply head over to your profile picture where your QR code would be visible. So once you select your QR code or tap on the QR code, your QR code will be straight away visible. Now, in order to send this to other people, what you need to do is simply download this QR code and send it on various platforms where the other person can simply scan the QR code and send you payments. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to use the PayPal QR code to receive money. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.